So let's go through a typical report. And we have one in front of us here. It's actually a real report. Home inspection carried out some little while ago. Actually, you can see it was carried out in April 19th. And right at the beginning of the report, you're going to get a list of items that have been found. And you see we've got to the list here now. And it basically lists them in order of their position on the pages inside the report. This is really a quick reference for you to enable you to see almost immediately what's been found, and also what page to look on to read in a bit more depth about the finding. So the list everybody finds very useful. We then go on and we start to consider the actual structural systems, but Yellow Hat goes further than just looking at a structure. If you wish, you can have the foundation measured, and we'll just come down, and right at the front of the report you'll see pictures of structural issues that have been found. This is right at the front of the report, you don't have to look for them. So if we find a structural issue, we'll tell you about it immediately. And if I scroll right the way down past the pictures, you'll see that we have a table here, and it shows the average foundation measured by Yellow Hat. Notice that most foundations are within 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch, so pretty level. And then we go and look at the actual foundation that you have had us inspect, and we've got a table here. There's 48 measurements, and it gives the precise level of the foundation, and immediately we give you a graph. Now, the reason we give you this plot is we want you to be able to visualize what's going on with the foundation. And here you can see the actual plot in Excel where we've put in the data, and what we're looking at here is the rear elevation. So we're looking at the back of the property. This is a rise in the foundation. It's actually what we describe as a a dome. And if we go to another illustration, a contour plot, you'll see it really does look like a dome, doesn't it? We're right up there at 2.5 inches, so it's risen quite a considerable amount. And then, to make you understand and really get a clear picture of what you're looking at, we can then go and look at that foundation from all angles. So I'm just going to turn it around, and now we're looking at the foundation. We're actually on the right hand elevation, and you can see it rises at the right rear and then slowly sinks towards the front. There's two reasons for this. It could be sinking at the front, or it could be rising at the rear due to water penetration under the slab. Well, all you've got to do is go and check for that, but you are really streets ahead of the normal average inspection, which basically says, well, the foundation is shifting and there are cracks in the walls. And that's where it normally ends. So immediately you've got a little bit more information because you've got a plot of the foundation, and we can look at the foundation from the back, from the rear. We can actually go under the foundation and go back to the rear of the foundation. You can see it here. Now, in addition to the plot, we do everything that is normally done in a home inspection. So everything's documented, and you're given basically a statement about the condition of the foundation and what it looks like at the present time. And then we also offer, and some people have it, is the sewer cam service, which goes hand in hand with the measurement. And this comes under drains, and so we go right the way down till we find drains. I might make myself a bit easier here, so I'll just go and search on drains, and here we got it at the bottom here. We're with the drains, and this foundation had a problem with its drainage. There was a slow bath, but that's normally just got reported, you know, it's not draining quickly. But in addition to having a slow bath, it actually had obstructions and problems with the sewer under the house, and I'm going to take you through that video in a few moments.